Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today we're showcasing new products from Catalyst. As you saw, they have different holders for your AirTags. So this one comes solid like this. You put it inside, has a nice soft backing and a carabiner. And then this one is a screw together, also with the soft backing. So it sits in here and then that protects it. And then the third one is like a clip-on. So you put it in here, it's got the nice silicone rubber, and then it can clip onto things as well. So there's 3 different kinds of AirTag holders right there. We like that. And they've just come out with the Catalyst cases for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So here is one of the cases right here. I like the carbon fiber look on the back. It has raised protection for the camera cluster right there. Button covers for the volume and the switch right here. It's a rotatable switch for the mute button. It has the MagSafe inside like that, so it can work with all the MagSafe accessories. And then it has a port on the bottom for the audio and for the power and data cable. So that's this case. And it has 2.5 times higher drop protection and 30% louder sound. And how it does that is with a lot of these Catalyst cases, the sound goes through this port right here and it gets projected forward rather than just out the bottom. So you don't see it out down the bottom right here. It's actually coming forward with the sound. So I like that a lot. So that's that case. And then they have a clear case without the MagSafe extra magnets. So if you like this color, they have different colors as well. Button covers right here, the rotatable switch cover right there, power button cover, and the same raised protection around the camera cluster, as well as the port for the data and power cable, and then the holes right there to project the sound outwards towards you. That gives you 30% extra volume like it says right there, so that's great. And this is also for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And then they make a glass screen cover that's 9H hardness, but it's very thin. It also protects while it's shatter and scratch resistant. And that works for your iPhone 13 Pro Max as well. So you have the AirTag carrying pieces here, the covers, 3 different kinds. And you have 2 different cases, one with MagSafe and one without, and it's clear as well. Has a cool neon around the outside, and those are for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up.